Blinking is a vital physiological function that serves several important purposes for eye health and vision. Here are the main reasons why we blink. 1. Moisturizing the eyes. Blinking spreads a thin layer of tears over the surface of the eyes, keeping them moist. This tear film is crucial for maintaining clear vision and preventing the eyes from drying out. 2. Clearing debris. Each blink helps remove small particles like dust and debris from the surface of the eyes. This protective mechanism helps to keep the eyes clean and reduces the risk of irritation and infection. 3. Protecting the eyes. Blinking acts as a reflex to protect the eyes from potential harm. For instance, when an object approaches the eyes, the blink reflex helps shield them from injury. 4. Resting the eyes. Blinking provides brief periods of darkness, giving the eyes a momentary rest. This is especially important during activities that require prolonged visual focus, such as reading or using a computer. 5. Maintaining vision. The tear film created by blinking is essential for maintaining a smooth optical surface, which is necessary for clear vision. Without regular blinking, vision can become blurry due to irregularities in the tear film. 6. Spreading nutrients. Blinking helps distribute essential nutrients and oxygen from the tears across the cornea, ensuring the health and functionality of the eye tissues. 7. Neurological function. Blinking is also linked to cognitive processes and can indicate attentiveness and brain function. The rate of blinking can change depending on a person's level of concentration or alertness. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel for interesting and useful content.